Hello boys and girls, I'm back again for some more mark making in the sparkle tray because it's green and shiny silver and it reminds me of a beautiful flower. Wow, are you our new letter sound and picture today? Say your name again. Flower. Did you hear that stretchy sound, children? It stretched like this. Okay, let's have a go at seeing how we write it. We start at the top on the flower and we draw down the stem. Take off your magic writing finger and draw the leaves. Try again. Start at the flower. Down the stem, take off your magic writing finger, draw the leaves. Let's have a turn in the glitter. Ready? Start at the flower, down the stem, take off my magic writing finger and draw the leaves. Oh, I need to make sure I get all of the glitter out of the way. Can you see that, children? I've drawn down the stem, took my magic finger off, and I've drew the leaves. Flower, you have a go and send us your pictures.